Hello everyone, this is Prangna Singh from Kolkata. Just completed my 1 year at Universal Business School in the domain marketing and will be moving ahead with my partner university at INSEEC. I'm really excited to share my experience with all of you. I would like to start by saying that all you need is a spark of light to pave your way. And Universal Business School has been the guiding light which paved my way and made me a better version of myself. I would like to start by saying that I was very skeptic as to moving to a totally new state. But again, after coming here, I saw the facilities, the amphitheaters, the Sodexo, the sports section, the faculty. It made it all so easy and at home. Moving to a different state was never a good idea, but however, you need strength to move on. And here, coming to Universal Business School, I gathered all the strength, and with the help of faculties and my peers, I found where I was lacking and what my strengths are. The faculty out here not only gives us experiential learning but also tells us what our strengths and weaknesses are so that we can work on it. And I, as a student, there were various teachers who were literally so close to me. Going to different clubs can enhance your persona and your personality. You can find clubs according to your match, which merges your identity and which merges with your future panels. For example, there are various clubs like Matchbox, Placement Club, Ethics and CSR Club. All these clubs makes a really great difference in one's life. OBS is not only transforming life, but it makes sure that it inculcates a sense of knowledge, dignity and inspiring role model attitude. Apart from this, we are also encouraged to give participation and give various performance in various institutes. Also, the club activities are a major component of our academics. Besides this, the help from faculty is of great deed. I would like to say that it was full of ups and downs. Waking up early morning, going for breakfast at Sodexo and then attending back-to-back classes with world-class faculty who were always there to motivate you, guide you and be with you always. I would like to thank UBS for providing me an opportunity to prove my worth and be a woman that I am today. I am not only taking memories along with me, but blessings of my teachers and some valuable quotes that my teachers gave me that will be very precious for me. And again, a beautiful family in form of friends. They were always there to support me and my backbone again. Thank you, UBS.